Na-scam si Banana. Nakalimutan namin na...
Hello! What's up?
What's up? Mga higala! Mayong hapon mga kahigala, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kaninang umaga kay busy ang inyong higala, naglimpyo dito sa bahay. And then, wala din ko mood mag-vlog kay wala tayo viewers. Anyway, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Si Banana is kumain na naman, again and again. Kumain na yan kaninang udto, no? Pag uwi niya. Tapos pag uwi na naman niya ngayong hapon, kumain na naman siya. Nagustuhan niya talaga yung pansit ko. Oh. Nakalimutan namin na anniversary pala namin ngayon ni Banana.
Yes. My wife's taking me for waffles and ice cream, but she said now she hasn't got her money with her. So I suppose I'm gonna have to pay.
Nagpansit lang ako. Kung hindi ko nakita yung memory sa Facebook ba, hindi ko malala na 2 years anniversary na pala namin.
And the pancit she made today was so good, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it was delicious.
Yes, I know. Pansit, tapos ang partner is itlog lang. Hindi na kami nag-rice kasi bukas aalis na naman ako. I'm going outside tomorrow.
No, I'm not allowing you to go outside tomorrow, okay? Because you're now like a single lady. You're getting out like a single girl.
Pero wala akong dadalhin bukas. Libre daw, magbudol fight daw kami bukas. Doon kay Marisa na bahay. So ngayon, pupunta kami sa Spar. Lilibrihan daw ako ni Banana ng waffle ice cream ba?
No, Spar. Spur.
Oh, Spar pala.
We're not going to go buy groceries now, okay? We're going to go eat waffles and ice cream at the Spur.
Kaloka.
I should be riding my bicycle, not eating waffles, okay?
It's okay. Nasa mall kami na Spur.
Spur, yeah. Spur.
Hindi Spar, ha? Spur.
Okay, so which one do you want? You want the classic, the bar one, or the Oreo?
Oreo.
Full. Full.
Akong Banana gwapo. Oh, gwapo ka, Jo.
We like.
Grabe, hamis-hamis. Naong, oh. Eh, shh. Shh.
That's two. You see the one in London Drive. Take the yellow one. Choose the yellow one, yeah.
Extra small or small?
The extra small or the small, okay?
I like the blue one. Dumaan kami dito sa Pick and Pay Clothes mga kahigala, no? Kaya doon naman sa Spur na kinainan namin. Tapos good news kasi yung taga Spur is nilibrihan kami ng
anniversary gift from the Spur.
Yeah, libre yun ba? Hindi kami pinabayad. Dahil matagal daw sila nag-serve. Magsukod sa daw si Banana o ganina rin siya ba? Nagsukod-sukod. Pa dyan sa kapili. Kanang nang dihit o kwarta naglibog o unsay paliton. Pili na mahal. Kaya ako may bayad. Sa wakas, sa tantong pili-pili, ay, nakapalit talaga dyan mga kahigala, oh. Thank you, bye, mahal.
Come over here, look at all of. But there's nothing in here for me.
Eh? I pay a lot because you...
Thank you, my honey, that you bought us clothing from your YouTube salary.
Yala.
Like this, you know.
It's old bitch.
For the plantitas, yeah? This for Daryl or for Mommy Eden? Hello? I have an announcement to make, okay? Today is our anniversary, but our second year anniversary, not our marriage anniversary, the day that we met. Today we went out to the Spur and we had free waffles. The Spur, not Spa. Then we went off and we went to go shopping. But now Mom is complaining because we spent all our money to go buy clothing. Yeah, I'll show you what we bought. There's some surprises in the bag. Okay, not many surprises for me, but two nice surprises. Okay, let's see what is this. Ooh, a nice little top. Not my size, so it must be for Madam. What else have we got here? Ooh, this is beautiful, scarf for winter. I can use this one also. Let's see what else is in here. Another top. Not my size. Must also be for Madam. Like this color, Sure. Well, there's nothing in here for me, honey. You said you bought me something. Beautiful cardigan. Yeah? Beautiful cardigan. She looks gorgeous in it, okay? Wow. Let me see what else is in here, okay? Ooh. Lovely color. Yeah? There's nothing for me, honey. Let's have a look if it goes any further. Wait down there. I like blue, okay? So you can see blue, but this one's long sleeve. And it does fit so very nice, okay? I like it. For me. Wait, let me see if there's any more down here. A white one. I actually like the white one, okay? It's very nice for me. Thank you, Mom. For my gift. For our anniversary. Done.
Model tuko. Nagtuko. It's nice, eh? Where are you going on?
The blue one is nice, but the white one is even nicer now. The white one doesn't fit. It's too fat.
Ning budlo tagiganti dyan magsuot sa white t-shirt. Nabiktima si Banana mga kaigala kasi extra large yung nakatatag ba tapos
But the
large
blue
pala.
one is also extra large, so now I'm going to have to buy 5 extra large, okay?
So, balik kami doon sa Pick and Pay. Isa uli namin, alis dan og iba. Kasi maliit sa kanya na-scam si Banana. Ito yung Pick and Pay nila mga kahigala Hindi masyadong malaki. Hindi gaya sa kabila na malaki talaga. Mall kasi mahal ang renta.
Slide on please so that you won't come here.
Finally!
Finally.
It's fit.
My shirt. I want to be like,
Rock and roll! Hindi na mabundot ang tiyan. Okay na. Yeah, is
I'm
it?
going to lose a little bit of weight, honey.
Mahal, he looks like a pastor. You know what is pastor? In a church. Nakabili din ako mga kahigalaw isa.
Yeah, more
More.
presents, yeah?
More kakagdigan. Yung mga clothes na binili namin kanina mga kahigala, mga sale yun, mga buy one take one ba. Hindi kami bibili pag hindi mga sale at buy one take one kasi alam niyo naman we cannot afford. Wala na kasi kaming mga pang winter clothes, pati si Banana wala, kulang.
The next morning.
Nandito na ako sa bahay nila, Marissa. Anong ginagawa mo, Higala? Nagbalad ng balad ng loda? Opo. Luto sila ng eggplant at lumpia Shanghai. Pero ang inside is isda. Ka-serious ni Mami Eden na fry. Ang bait ni Bella, She's helping. Ito si Marissa, busy sa isda. At ito naman si Valerie, busy sa kanyang upo. Maraming langaw, kaya kinakabiran. Ito ang food,
Wow.
eggplant, upo. Tapos may Shanghai pa.
Fish Shanghai.
Tapos may alabang pa, May sabaw pa. May isda pa. Di pa tapos nag-fry si Mami din. Hi, Bella!
Mama Eden!
Enjoy your dancing.
Enjoy your dance! Shibuga na!
May puto.
Sarap magkamay. Kamay.
Mga higala, Somerset West. From Bohol, Batanggenyo,
Super sarap.
Iligan, Leyte, ano to? Quezon? Ako, Cebu.
Nakita mo yung si may nag-undak-undak ng tawa. Nasa video. Nakita mo? Tanawa gani. Oh, ang biso mo.
Grabe ang chika ni Banana doon sa bahay ni Marisa kasi nakasundo ako. Dala-dala. Marami na naman akong dala na bring house. Seems as usual. Buang talaga to si Banana. Oy. Tignan niyo yung jacket ko mga kahigala, oh. Hindi na ma-fix, oh. Tapos nasa likod pa. Yan, at the back. Hindi na tayo makabili ng ganito na klase na jacket. Ay, Diyos ko, paano na yung jacket ko? Anyway, mga kahigala, that's all for today and yesterday. Si Banana is nagkain-kain na.
I'm eating hot cross buns because there's no supper for me, there's no lunch for me. My wife went out, so I didn't eat any. I was just having a little hot cross bun for supper.
Aram ka dramatic.
Now you know why I'm becoming so slender. Okay, I'm losing weight because no food in this house.
Ang lagi niyong tandaan mga kahigala, be patient, be humble, be simple sa buhay para always happy. And most of all,
Be kind.
bye! God bless mga kahigala. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Chup chup chup.